Ever since I was a kid, I always loved the outdoors. My dad is super active and outdoorsy. We were always sleeping in a tent or in a truck, and he was really the guy that got me into it because he would just take us places he's never been. I would say what I like most about riding the UTV is that they are very fast. The suspension is incredible, and for the average person to come out here and drive one, it really makes you feel like a professional off-road race car driver. There's just really nothing better than being out here in the middle of nowhere, just completely way off the grid, and a machine as capable as this, and just leaving behind the everyday hustle and bustle back home. As a weekend warrior, I ride hard. It's really crucial to making sure when you come out, you have a good time, you get through the weekend, and you don't find yourself in an area without cell reception and without help, and then all of a sudden you don't know how you're going to get out of that situation. Before any off-road adventure, I always take the necessary steps to make sure my machine is running the way it's designed to. I change the oil, I inspect and replace the air filter, and check grease fittings and wheel bearings. I make sure the suspension components are looking good. I also like to use a high-quality fuel additive to ensure my motor's running clean during use and stabilize my fuel during storage. I use Techron Powersports Small Engine from Chevron because it gives me peace of mind knowing my engine and fuel systems are getting the highest levels of protection. In an off-road environment riding in harsh conditions, my vehicle runs longer and more efficiently when my fuel injectors aren't gumming up and corrosion isn't building on my valves and other engine components. Techron Powersports does the trick. I pour some in my tank with every fill-up, and if I'm storing my UTV for any length of time, I know I'm covered because it stabilizes fuel for up to 2 years. If you can take care of your vehicle, you'll spend less time worrying about your engine issues and more time enjoying the ride.